Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Grass, which I wanted to cover. I mean, I have not covered this before. I wanted to do some sort of a launch update when the token launched and when the airdrop was completed. But I did not do this. But yesterday in a live stream we did. Some people requested this. I have followed this launch quite a bit. I also farmed this airdrop for the last year, so I got the airdrop. I'm aware of what's going on, and it's ridiculously bullish. I mean, what you can see is that since Friday last week, so in a week we're up about 200%, and this is not some sort of a low market cap shitcoin. No, we're actually approaching the $1 billion valuation with the actual market cap. And we're already at a 3.37 billion valuation with the fully diluted value. And then outside of that, Grass is also, just in general, it's a bit of a difficult project to say whether it's good or bad, because there's a lot of FUD about this as well, and I do think there is some truth to the FUD and in what they're doing with the capacity, etc., that you're giving them. But overall, it has received significant funding by some major partners. And some partners such as Polychain Capital, Hack VC, Delphi, they're quite known for just in general having the occasional project that does very, very well, right? And this backing also means, even though they raised, I'm not sure at what valuations they raised, but overall this is at least initially bullish. Eventually what this means, and that you can also see that right here, eventually it means that like 40% of the tokens go to VCs and investors. So long term, I'm not a fan of Grass. Short term, this is absolutely bullish, all right? And what you can see if we look at the chart as well, so now we have the fundamentals out of the way. But if you look at the chart right here, the open interest is a bit strange here, but you can see that we actually, over the course of the last week, it seems like a lot of people have shorted Grass, right? So you have these periods of time right here where quite a lot of shorts are being opened, and every time they're forced to close them. Like, for example, the 6th of November, 2 days back, a lot of shorts were closed. And then again right here, the 7th of November, a lot of shorts were closed, a lot of short liquidations, as you can see. So as long as that continues, and I see no reason to expect that it will not continue for now, as long as that continues, we're going up higher. So if you take a look at this, at the technical structure here for Grass, it's also still ridiculously bullish. The market is still very bullish right now, even though Bitcoin has found some sort of a local top yesterday afternoon. So for now, I see no reason to call Grass bearish. My main price target would be $4, major psychological resistance level as well. But I believe there were also some Fibonacci extension levels right there, if I remember correctly. Now you can, for example, see that we hit the 1.618 and we're still gaining momentum after hitting that resistance, which historically tends to be a strong resistance. So that's another bullish sign and bullish indication. So for now, I would say it's most likely that we will continue this rally into $4. $4 is also a $1 billion valuation. So I do think $4 as a resistance will hold. All right. So from there, we'll see again. If you're interested in another update, I'll cover it there as well. But for now, I would say this is most likely. And I also kind of want to warn you. All right. Grass has been ridiculously bullish, but like I said, it's a VC coin. It's valued relatively highly compared to other token launches in the last in the last month or so. So be careful, all right? There's going to be de-risking. At some point of time, we're going to get a deep pullback. Keep your eyes on the lower time frames, 1 hour time frame, potentially 4 hour time frame. And once you actually see a structure breakdown, like for example, right now, the structure is still only bullish, right? Every time we break above a resistance level, we're holding it and we're rallying up higher. If you see some sort of a structure break, risk off, all right? Keep your eyes on that. But for now, like I said, there's still no indication of that now. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.